Are you stuck with the Steam Fatal Error 2025 and can't update your games? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and reliable way to fix it. First, open your Steam app. If you're not sure where it is, just look for the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu and double-click it. Once Steam is open, go to the login screen and enter your account name and password. Make sure everything is correct, then sign in. Now that you're on your Steam homepage, click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Downloads section and click on Clear Download Cache. This will restart Steam and often fixes the error immediately. If the problem is still there, don't panic. Exit Steam completely and locate the Steam icon on your desktop. Right-click it and select Open File Location. Then, right-click the Steam executable, go to Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and also run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Still not working? Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, or right-click your taskbar and select Task Manager. Find Steam in the process list, click End Task, and then restart Steam. This usually resolves any lingering issues. And that's it. Following these steps should get your Steam running smoothly again without the fatal error disrupting your updates. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video and share it with friends who might be struggling too. Happy gaming!